Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're at IKEA Bangkok, shopping for essentials to make our new condo feel like home. This journey is more than just about the things. It's about embracing change, creating a life we love, and truly living. If you've ever dreamed of moving abroad or stepping out of your comfort zone, you're in the right place. Subscribe and join me on this adventure. Let's do this. So good. Oh my goodness. You guys, isn't this a deal? 19 Thai baht for these. So we're gonna get two of these, and then two of these. That's like 50 cents thereabouts. That is amazing. Gerald went to get a cart, I think. I don't know what he's doing. These are not bad either. This is a dollar and change. I like this pink cup. I think I'm gonna get this one. These are so cute, you guys. I'm gonna get this. I saw it on the bed. I'm thinking it's the same thing I saw on one of the fake bed. Okay, the beds. It's like $8 per throw. That's not bad. So I'm picking one of these up. All right, so we're gonna get this because we bought the big old thing of salt. So this would be good to portion out. So we can just reuse, right? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do this one. Yeah, so we're looking at this and these dish drainers, they're 59 baht. But I'm like, this one wraps up easy. You know, you do it, it dries, and then you just move it. But this one is gonna be stuck forever because it's, you know, not forever, but take up space. So I think that one is nice. This one, right? Jarrell's just putting things in my cart, you guys. He needs to stop because he's not paying. Are you? I mean, you can. All right, so I need a pot holder. Do they have none for 19 cents? 19 baht? No, that's ugly. I want cheap. How much is that? 39, so like $1. But the color is not going with what? Color is not coloring. Let me keep looking a little bit. But you guys, with these prices. Oh, this is nice though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 1200. Is it the set or is it just the sink? Wait, it's this set for that. The blue one? I wonder if they have it in like cream or something. Let me keep looking, you guys. But I need a pot. I need a pot. At least one pot. I need something to cook in. All right, you guys, we need to get out of here because really, Gerald. So he wants this, and I want this. They're like $3 each. We literally need to get out of here because we are. Look at the car. You guys, why? Just why? I didn't even get everything I wanted. This is just like a partial shop. And the cart is full. Oh my goodness. Do not take me anywhere. This is why I stay home. You guys, why are we like this? We were on the road. A ton of restaurants. Ton of, what do you call it? Street food. Everything. We come home with our stuff. Of course, you know, we had big bags. So we're like, let's go home, put it down, then go out to find something to eat. We're just too tired. What do we do? 7-Eleven right down the street. Even after grocery shopping, like we have all this grocery. And what are we eating? 7-Eleven. I don't know why we're like this. But these potatoes, you guys, oh my God, so good. And they're, I mean, corn is corn, sweet corn is sweet corn, but this is really, really, really good. And then we got soda. I need to order the pack of sodas for Jarrell from like Big C. And then I got this grilled salmon salad. I don't know why I'm out of focus, but yeah, our struggle is so real. It is just so easy to grab 7-Eleven or, you know, order Grab or whatever it is. You literally don't have to cook. George's like, why do we even buy grocery? I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook eventually. All right, you guys. So this is what we ended up buying at IKEA. Still didn't get everything that we need because there's no sheet. Like I want a nice white puffy bedding. But I did get a throw to go with it eventually. And then like, okay, we still have some stuff that I needed to buy, but this came out to 3,808 Thai baht, which is around $113.08 came out of my Chase account. So that's the exact conversion rate. So for $113 from IKEA, I don't think this is bad at all. I got the pot set. This, I don't remember how much anything is, you guys. I think I videoed most of it. But yeah, so this is some of what we got. I didn't even need this. I just saw them and they looked cute. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be practicing my chopstick skills. And I'm gonna use those. And then these we just got to put as hand towels just to wipe our hands in the bathroom. So I'm doing pink, as you can tell, pinkish blush, pink blush. This is kitchen towels. Gerald got blue because that's his favorite color. And I got my pink cup. They didn't have blue, so Gerald just got that one. And then I'm still hung up on these 19 baht plates, 56 cents. I just did the conversion, 56 cents. Then we got some of that. And then, yeah, flowers. I think I'm going to order the rest of the flowers that I need off of Lazada or Shopee, because I saw some stuff on there. And I'm thinking I can get some better deals, but we'll see. Because the ones in IKEA, they were a little bit pricey for some fake flowers. And then these are table mats. I'm going to set up this little table right here that everything is on. Drying rack, bathroom stuff. So, yeah. Oh, and then I found this. I'm going to use for my dresser to put all my makeup and stuff in. So everything is not like all over the place. But yeah, pretty much what we got. I don't think that was bad. What do you think for $113? Oh yeah, we did end up buying these IKEA bags. They were 29 baht, so right under $1. Because let me show you where our bags are, you guys. Just let me show you where I'm smart. I put our bags right here. The door is right there. And what do we always do? Leave without our bags. So then we have no bags and we keep buying reusable bags. I have like 10 bags in this. You can see in there. I keep leaving and keep buying reusable bags. Or struggle. Alrighty guys, we are here. When you come to Pier 21, it is cash only. They give you a card. So you pay you just put whatever amount on your card, and then whatever you have left, you can get it back at the end. It is so packed in here, you guys. So packed. Definitely different than COVID era. Oh my goodness. Trying to find something to eat. Joel got his food. He's sitting down. Gonna find something to eat and get some drink. If I can make it through this. All right, so we ate everything. Oh my gosh, that food was so good, you guys. That curry was so yums. So now I'm trying to find Daiso. It says there's one down here on the lower ground floor. We went all the way down. This place is so big. So now I'm gonna go find Daiso, see if I can get some stuff in here. See if I see any other kind of store I can get little snacks from. And yeah, see what's going on. I want a dessert though. Ooh, Cinnabon. But I think I want ice cream. We'll see. And we found Miniso and Daiso. So I'm gonna go in Daiso first, then Miniso. Go grab a couple something something. You guys, why do I have a whole kitchen, bought groceries, appliances, pots, and everything, and breakfast is still 7-Eleven? I mean, 7-Eleven is just... so Jarrell ran down. See, this is why I love it. Jarrell ran down. He got me a Thai tea. I've never seen these cups, so this is cute, reusable. And then they didn't have my favorite croissant. So he got this. And then this is my favorite jackfruit that I buy from there. And then he got himself a blended drink and his favorite. You guys, how are you going to eat bread with butter, like butter, and then condensed milk and sprinkled sugar? Like, I don't know what it is, but that is their thing. And this boy eats it up, okay? And then he just got a treat for later. So this cost 208 baht, which is... So this cost $6 and change for what we got for breakfast. I mean, this isn't bad. It's not the best, of course, because we could have gone street food and gotten food for like 40 bahts each, and then like a 40 baht coffee. But this was, I think, like 40 baht, so it would have been lower. But eating at 7-Eleven, just running down, grabbing something for $6, I'll take it.